looked again, and there before me was a flying scroll. He asked me,
"What do you see?"
I answered, "I see a flying scroll, 20 cubits long and 10 cubits wide." And he said to me,
"This is the curse that is going out over the whole land. For according to what it says on one side, every thief will be banished. And according to what it says on the other, everyone who swears falsely will be banished. The Lord Almighty declares, I will send it out, and it will enter the house of the thief, and the house of anyone who swears falsely by my name. It will remain in that house and destroy it completely, both its timbers and its stone."
Then the angel who was speaking to me came forward and said to me,
"Look up and see what this is that is appearing."
I asked, "What is it?" He replied,
"It is a basket.
and he added,
This is the iniquity of the people throughout the land."
Then the cover of lead was raised, and there in the basket sat a woman. He said,
"This is wickedness."
and he pushed her back into the basket and pushed the lead cover down over its mouth. Then I looked up, and there before me were two women with the wind in their wings. They had wings like those of a stork, and they lifted up the basket between heaven and earth. "Where are they taking the basket?" I asked the angel who was speaking to me. He replied,
"To the country of Babylonia, to build a house for it. When it is ready, the basket will be set there in its place."